welcome to an episode of Joanna's Baking! Wait, we're not baking. We're cooking! Joanna's cooking! What up, gang? The footage you're about to see is literally from August 2020, and it is February, almost the end of February, mind you. Yes, also the shadows, the lighting, it'll be better next time. I'm sorry. It's also 11:30 p.m. Then I decided to record this because motivation hits at different times, and it was one of those times. But anyway, it was from a long time ago. A lot has changed and a lot has happened since then. But I found the folder with all my footage on my computer, and I was like, you know what? Past Joanna is making me happy. I'm going to edit this video and make other people happy too. Here's your warning though. I don't remember what recipe I used. So you're probably not gonna learn a lot. You're just gonna be watching me cook, and it's kind of fun. I really enjoy it, and I just hope that you will too. So, she'll tell you what to do. Today, we'll be making, what are we making? Salmon and mashed potatoes from scratch. Not the salmon. I didn't make the salmon from scratch. I bought the salmon, but
Oh, it's boiling now. Wow. I gotta put it on medium heat when it boils. So we're gonna put it on medium heat. Maintain the boil for 10 minutes. Yeah. Okay, I think I got as much as I can. I think I got enough. Or should I try? Like, there's still some water in it, but that's okay. And we're gonna. No, you want to get a little water out. Okay, now I put it back on the pan? Yeah, I'm gonna go for a little water off. We mashed the potatoes! Carrots that my sister is making. This is my sister eating yesterday's Korean fried chicken leftovers. Chimac House on Pioneer Boulevard. Everybody go.
I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say. We're Joanna making mini carrots.
Wow.
We're making some Chinese salmon today.
We got some sesame oil, rice vinegar, soy sauce, sugar, not the sea salt, that's for other stuff. Got ginger and green onion, and yeah, we're gonna mix it, put it in a bowl.
Don't know what I'm gonna do about the music in the video because it's in the background of the audio, but that's okay. 1 tablespoon, and then we're gonna have another tablespoon of soy sauce. And I have to pause the recording because I don't know how much of the other stuff I'm using because the recipe's on my phone.
Salting the salmon! Wow! Salmon! How long on each side? 2 to 3 minutes. Yeah! Put the lid on the mashed potatoes.
That was was the whole bit, the whole part. I don't have my family's reactions, but I think that'll be a good thing to film for next time. All I have to satisfy your needs is like a photo. So like, here's a photo for you. You know, it looked really yummy. It was really great. I had a good time. And yeah, I've been cooking for my family, or trying to cook for my family like once a week, because quarantine, I'm trying to like pack up skills and like prove that I can be independent for when I. Yeah, that's kind of it for me. See you whenever I see you.